Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the second Tuesday of the month of May 2024. And what does that mean? That means we are at Patch Tuesday. So this is the security updates for the month of May. And on Windows 10 22H2, of course, they have arrived. One of the interesting aspects of the install on this machine, usually it takes around 20-25 minutes for updates to install on Patch Tuesday on this machine. Now this month, it didn't take 20 minutes. It took an hour and 15 minutes. It was way long compared to usual. Also, it had this weird stuck at 0% screen when it restarted that stayed there for a long time, and then it restarted again, and then it completed the install and was fine. So if you see a stuck at 0%, don't stop your computer. It's going to eventually go through. Just, like I always say, do something else when you're installing updates instead of focusing on the update install itself. So if I look at my update history, this month, of course, there was a .NET Framework update. One of the updates was that. There was a malicious removal tool update. A malicious software removal tool. The update itself, cumulative update, was KB5037768. I don't know if some of you will see it, but there's also a KB5001716, which is not a cumulative update, it's just an update for Windows 10. I believe this has to do with the update stack of Windows Update, fixing certain things with that. So this is probably what's happening there. So basically, this is the way it is for the updates, and it fixes, of course, a lot of flaws. We're going to have a look at the updates in not long, just after this video, giving you an idea of what was in these updates. WinVer command, if you're on Windows 10, you should be at 19.045.4412. So 19.045.4412 is where we are at now if you are up to date with Windows 10. So apply these updates. They're important. That is what keeps you safe, not the antivirus. Once again, it's important to apply. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.